only have a few minutes to impress a picky meeting planner and convince them that you're the perfect person to set their event on fire and leave their guests wanting more. Hey, your demo video is the first step in demonstrating your unparalleled skill and magnetic personality. So, I'm going to show you today how to put up a demo reel that will make any potential meeting professional take notice. Now, first thing, identifying your target demographic is the first step. Consider the meeting professional who will be seeing your video when creating it. Meeting organizers are your target demographic, not those who will be seeing you on stage. So focus on helping the meeting professional achieve their objectives while adding your perspective and experience to the content you provide. Demonstrate you're familiar with their problems and you have the answers they need. Now, second, think carefully about how to hook the viewer and create the tone for the rest of the piece. Make sure anything you say will stick in the viewer's minds forever, or at least a long time. Whether it's a captivating anecdote, an intriguing inquiry, or a startling statistic. And this story's introduction must be exciting and engaging in the first 10 seconds, or they will go to the next option. In addition, maintain an even keel of style and substance throughout the video. Use powerful one-liners to demonstrate your knowledge. Provide valuable ideas and takeaways that affirm your worth, but remember to add an emotional touch by speaking and acting with conviction and enthusiasm. Exude your inerrant charm and charisma to win over your audience. And keep in mind that looks count. Look, I hate to say it, but spend money on production quality to show that you take your work seriously. You may be able to improve your presentation and keep your audience's attention by using creative camera angles, eye-catching images, and well-designed graphics. However, the images should not be overpowering. Find a happy medium where the image of you and the other visual elements each contribute equally to the whole. The most popular videos have the right mix of B-roll and images of you, even though many people want to watch themselves and believe that others want to. Remember, you're telling a story about your solution rather than yourself. In addition, social proof is so important. Use outstanding client logos, case studies, and testimonials to build trust with your audience. Let other people vouch for your abilities and attest to your success. That is often done with a voiceover, so you don't have to brag about yourself. And finally, make sure they want more. Your demo video should conclude with a compelling call to action, encouraging meeting professionals to get in touch, schedule a consultation, or check out your website. Show them what they'll be missing out on if you aren't their keynote or breakout speaker. Look, a great demo reel results from hard work, dedication, and knowledge of one's target audience. Meeting professionals will have no doubt that you're the one they need to hire if you tailor your material to their interest, demonstrate your knowledge convincingly, and design an engaging environment. Now is the time to let your talent shine through in your demo reel. The stage awaits you, my friend.